Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point, working on an '03 Honda Civic. Customer has a rattling noise, which will be this thing moving back and forth. And also there is a noise that's coming directly from the exhaust. And I'm going to get down with the camera so you can actually hear it. I'm not going to talk because it's very loud. But it's right at the catalytic converter. If you ever hear this noise, just take your vehicle directly to an exhaust shop. Get it taken care of. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.